Hola, everybody. I did it. I'm in Madrid. So my train was a little bit late this morning. I run, but finally I made it. At the I'm at the Royal Palace in Madrid. So that would be my visit. So it's a huge palace. It's the third one in Europe after Vienna and after also Versailles. So it's the third biggest palace in Europe with eight 8,500 rooms and more than a million point five people visiting every year. So it's almost 4,000 people a day visit the palace. All right, so let's go visit the palace and I'll give you my takes after that. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Here you can see the courtyard, the first exterior right in front of the palace, facing the cathedral that I visited last week. If you remember my first video in Madrid, I visited the cathedral. So right facing the Royal Palace. All right, let's go in. Hola guys, I did it. It's a beautiful tour. So the Royal Palace in Madrid, it's a must. You have to come. So first, make sure you reserve your tickets. You buy your ticket online because the line for people who don't have a ticket, it's too long. So I have my ticket, so it was very easy to get in, and that's it. And oh yeah, so they don't really allow pictures or videos in most of the rooms. So I kind of sneak in at one point. I get snap on my hands a few times, but I did some videos for you. So it's a beautiful palace. I would say it's not like the Sagrada. Uh, I would set this like my number two, number three favorite after the Mezquita and the Alhambra. I would say that this is beautiful here, and the tour is very easy. They have numbers. The application is good. Yeah, so I suggest to rent the audio guide, or you can download like I did. I did the audio guide from my phone also, because you cannot take pictures, so it's much easier. And the descriptive is very good. It's beautiful, and also has furnitures in most of the rooms, so it's a very great activity to do. All right, guys. Anything else here? You see the ceiling behind me. It's beautiful. And so you know the pattern. Going for my nap, going power nap, lunch, and freestyle for the evening. It's Friday and it's Madrid, so it should be fun. All right, talk to you later. Bye.